Very warm welcome to the next section. I hope you have studied the first section. There we discuss some terms related to circles and some formulas related to circle. In this section, we will discuss one more question. Let us see the next question. In the figure, the diameter of the region representing gold is 21 centimeter and each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each of the 5 regions. Here, the diameter of the gold is given for you 21 centimeter. That means the whole distance is 21 and the radius is equal to the radius of the gold region. Diameter of the region is equal to 21 centimeters given. Is equal to 21 centimeter. So the radius of the region, gold region, is equal to half of the diameter, that is equal to 10.5. You can mark it this radius as R1. So this R1 is equal to half of this diameter, that is equal to 10.5 centimeter. We want to find the area of each region, area of this gold region, then area of the red region, area of the blue region and area of the black region and area of the white region. So area of the gold region is very easy because it's a circular shape. The area of the circle is equal to pi r square. We know the radius of the region also, so we can find the area of the circle. And the next one, the area of the red region. We need, this is the red region, we need the area of this red region only. So what is the radius? This is the center of the circle. You can see that all these circles are concentric circles. All the circles have the same center. So finding the area of the concentric circles, first you have to know the radius of this region. That means the region including gold and red. We know that the width of each band is given for you, that is 10.5 centimeter. Width of each band is 10.5 centimeter. So the radius of the region with the gold and red, that is equal to this R1 plus this width. R1 plus 10.5. Here we know that the radius R1 is equal to 10.5. So the region, the radius of the region, gold and red. Radius of the region, gold and red, that we can represent it as R2. R2 is equal to total, it is 10.5 plus 10.5, that is equal to 21. R2 is equal to 21 centimeter. This is R1 and this is R2. So that R2 is equal to 21 centimeter, that is equal to double of this radius R1. So you can write it as 2R1. Next, so we know we are able to find the area of the red region. That is, area of the red region will be equal to area of the big circle minus area of this gold area. So we will get the area of the red region. The next we want to know the radius of the red, gold, red and blue. So gold is R1. Then gold and red is R2. Next we want to get the radius up to here, that is gold, red and blue, that is R3. We can note down it is R3. So 10.5 plus this width is 10.5 plus 10.5. So the radius of the region gold, red and blue is equal to, that you can note as R3, that is equal to 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5, that is equal to 3 times of the R1. R1 plus R1 plus R1 is equal to 3 R1. So R1 is equal to 10.5, R2 is equal to double of this radius, R3 is equal to thrice of this radius. And the next here, the radius of the region gold, red, blue and black, that you can represent as R4. So R4 is equal to 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5, 4 times of the R1, that we can, so R4 is equal to 4 R1. The last one, the region of the gold, red, blue, black and white. So 4 R1 plus one more 10.5, that is one more R1, that is equal to R5 is equal to 5 R1. Once more I repeat, the diameter of the golden region is 21. So the radius of the first region is equal to 10.5. The width of each region is 10.5. So the radius of the second region, that means the gold plus red, that region is equal, that radius we can note down as R2. So that is equal to 21 centimeter. That means the double of the first radius. And R3 is equal to 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5. That means 3 times of first radius. You can R3, you can take it as 3 R1. Then similarly R4 is equal to 4 R1. R5 is equal to 5 R1. Now we can find the area of the golden region. Area of golden region you can note down as A1. Area of the golden region is equal to pi R1 square. That is equal to 22 by 7 into R1 square. R1 is equal to 10.5. 10.5 whole square. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 10.5. That we can write it in the fraction form. Then your calculation will be little more easy. 10.5 we can write it, multiply the numerator and denominator by 10, then it will be 105 by 10 into 105 by 10. 10.5 whole square is 10.5 into 10.5. 10.5 I write it in the form of fraction. Now it is decimal form, I change it to fraction form. Now when you solve this, you can see 105 in 7, how many times? 15 sevens are 105, and in 15 and 10, 5 is common factor, 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10. Again 1 2 is 2, 11 2s are 22. Then that is equal to 11 into 3 into 105 divided by 10. That is equal to 3465 divided by 10. That is equal to 346.5 centimeter square. So the area of the region gold is equal to 346.5 centimeter square. Now we can find the area of the region, red region. That means the area of the whole region minus area of the gold region, you will get the area of the red region. So the area of the, for finding the area of the red region, the radius of the region is equal to R2. The area of, that means the area of the big circle, radius of the big circle is equal to R2. So this big circle's area is pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. So area of the red region, we can write it as A2. Area of the red region is equal to area of big circle, that is pi r2 square minus area of the golden region. So pi r1 square, that is equal to pi into r2 here. The r2 is equal to 21 centimeter. That means it's a double of the first radius. So we can, instead of r2, we can write it as 2r1. So 2r1 whole square is equal to pi r1 square. So here it will be 2r1 whole square is equal to 4 pi r1 square minus pi r1 square, that is equal to 3 pi r1 square. 4 pi r1 square minus pi r1 square is equal to 4 minus 1, 3 pi r1 square. We know that what is pi r1 square, that we find out. Pi r1 square, we got it 345.5. So very easily we can find the area of the red region, that is equal to 3 into the value of pi r1 square is equal to 346.5. So when you multiply, you will get the area of this red region. Same way we can find the area of the blue region, that is the third region. So A3 is equal to, that means we want to find the area of this blue region only. So the whole circle, area of the whole circle or big circle minus area of this whole circle. Then only you will get the area of this blue region. We know that the area of this circle is R2. So pi R2 square. And this is area of the big circle, that is radius is R3. So the area of the big circle is pi r3 square. So pi r3 square minus pi r2 square, you will get the blue region. So it will be pi r3 square minus pi r2 square. We know that r3 is equal to 3r1. So we can substitute that 3r1 whole square minus pi into R2 is 2R1, 2R1 whole square, that is equal to 9. 9 pi R1 square minus 4 pi R1 square, that is equal to 5 pi R1 square. So area of the blue region is equal to 5 into 346.5. Because we know that pi r1 square is equal to, you already find out that area of the first region, that is 346.5. So when you multiply these two, you will get the area of the third region, that is the blue region. The area of this area we will get it. In the same way, next we can find the area of the fourth region, that is black region. So that will be equal to pi r4 square minus pi r3 square. This is the big circle, this circle minus this whole circle, this whole portion. So pi r4 square minus pi r1 square, that is equal to pi into r4, you can substitute, that is same way you can substitute. So r4 is equal to 4r1 square, 4r1 whole square minus pi into r3 is equal to 3r1 whole square. So here it is 16 pi r1 square minus 9 pi r1 square, that is equal to 7 pi r1 square. That means 7 into 346.5. So when you multiply this, you will get the area of the fourth region. The same way you can find the fifth region, that is the white region. Area of the white region you can find out. So the big circle minus area of this part. So area of fifth region is equal to pi r5 whole square minus pi r4 whole square. Same way you will get it here. Pi into r5 is equal to 5r1. So total it will be 25 pi r1 square minus here r4 is equal to 4r1. So it will be 16 pi r1 square, that is equal to 9 pi r1 square. So 9 into 346.5. When you multiply this, you will get the area of the fifth region. So I hope that you understand this. If you do this way, the calculation will be little more easy. Okay, you should read textbook today and prepare notes. You should study example questions given in the textbook. And today's your worksheet is exercise 12.1. If you have any doubt, you can ask doubts through the parent eye. Thank you.